put this under running water and just get rid of all the soap that I put on it, and just rub a bit exactly the way we wash our hands, because yeah, if I put it on my clean table, right, that's where I put the tissue. At the moment I'm not hanging the tissues out. Yeah, right, so I'm drying out the soap. Okay, that I notice is if you don't want to keep going back and forth to get more water, so when you're squeezing out after putting the water, you don't squeeze too much, yeah, so that you can add some water, so that it really sucks out the soap really fast, so you don't go back and forth so many times. Something that I did in the beginning, but yeah, I'm becoming a better cleaner, like I said. So this is me lathering. I'm trying to make sure the soap goes everywhere, you know, yeah. And we do this for 30 seconds, okay? I'm not counting, but because I want my gloves again, okay? In this season where the shops are closed and, you know, you can't go out to shop all the time to get more gloves. You can't use this once, like if you're home and you know you can lather, just lather, just wash your gloves so you can use them again. Alright, it's not the best recommended, but these gloves are kitchen gloves. They don't just do one usage, they do more than once. So this is what we do. Okay, I think I've gone beyond 30 seconds. I might have to edit this. Lathering the soap is not about the water, so the water doesn't kill the germ, the soap kills the germ. Alright, yeah, spend more time doing the soap more than the time you spend washing off the soap, because guess what, this thing is affected by the soap, not the water. So yeah, that is it. So we do it again, we wash it out, imagining we tap out every side of the gloves, because I'm just being economic when it comes to shopping. Yes, I'm being economic. I'm trying to spend the least that I can spend in this season. I don't want to go back to buy gloves. I've got a few stock, but yeah, still, I don't want to throw these away right now, because we don't know how long this is going to last for. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yeah, I'm done. Guys, I'm gonna give the kids the table mats before they have their breakfast. Yeah, so yeah. Okay. Yes, and
hi guys.
You say hi.